Philippines!
Good morning, guys. My husband is making some flat omelette. Look, it's flat, guys. Why is it flat? Say good morning.
Morning, guys.
Okay. The machine from the garbage from the dumpster diving. Oh, it's running around.
You guys didn't eat.
Misty, huh? Running around, monkey. Run for your life. Hi, guys. Hello. Welcome sa mga pagbabalik. Welcome. So, ngayon, guys, meron po tayong agenda. Kasi I'm planning. I asked my husband, you know what I did? I asked my husband's permission if I can build a property. I can build bahay kubo sa property ng lola ko. Kasi po, quick ano lang ha, yung lola ko is wala na. And then, the property sa baryo na yon is walang nakatira. At saka meron silang bahay na mali. Sira-sira na ba? Kasi old house na nga, di ba? So, meron akong, nandun yung parents ko. Kahit meron silang bahay doon sa Davao, gusto nilang titira pabalik-balik ba? Davao, Bukid, Davao, probinsya, Davao, ganon. So, gusto nila doon. So, kaya, yung bahay na yun is malapit nang mahugmak ba? Malapit nang mag-down kasi nga, old house na, diba? Everything is rotten and holy cow. There's a lot of holes on the floor, sa roof, meron ng ganon. So, I asked my husband, no? I asked, honey, can you give me million? Oh, joke. People are gonna react again with the million. Anyway, so, sabi ko, meron naman akong pera, guys. Pero, of course naman, kung ano yung sa akin, sa kanya din. So, always ask permission to your partner. Diba, right, love? Unlike Tommy, won't ask my permission. And you did ask permission to me, love.
For what?
For Can you ask me now? Can I buy a gun?
I might tell you that before we got.
So, but me, kung ako kasi, I like to tell my husband and everything. Like everything, okay? Kasi I don't wanna hide anything. Even farting far away from him. I said, Han, I'm farting. Honey, are you kind of like ill to me, Han, that I'm so open on everything?
You should be able to be open.
You like it?
Yeah,
You don't want me to change it like a little bit, hide a little bit?
No.
Oh, look. Ayaw niya yung ganon. So, balik tayo sa bahay. So, magpatayo ako ng bahay kubo, guys, para lang matirhan ng parents ko. Kasi ayaw ko. Kasi hindi kasi yan namin lupa. Lupa yan ng lola ko, which is mama ng mama ko. And then, so, yung bahay, yung property na yan is lupa na ng family. Buong family ng mga Munta side. Munta kasi ako sa mama na side ko. So, para naman may magkabantay doon sa lupa na yan, so, lagyan ko ng bahay kubo, or kahit amakan lang ba, lagyan ko siya kahit maliit lang, and then, yun, para kung bibisita yung mga auntie ko, meron silang katirahan, kung wala namang mga kasin ko, ayaw nila sa bukirin. Kami lang yung family na taga-bukid ba, gusto magpunta-punta doon, kasi doon kami lumaki. Pero yung mga pinsan ko, kung gusto nilang magpunta doon sa lupa, meron sila ding, kahit maliit, meron silang bubong na masulungan, di ba? So, ngayon, mag-drawing ako, guys. So, yun lang naman yung i-video ko. Mag-drawing ako kung ano yung plano ko. Maliit lang siya, guys. Pero gusto ko mag-drawing ba? Baka tignan natin kung magkaano yung gasto. Pero hindi kung, basta yun. Pero maliit lang yung ko, guys. Anong tawag nito? Maliit lang yung pira na ko doon. Yung parang budget ba? Maliit lang yung budget ko kasi alam nyo naman, hindi tayo magpabahay doon ng mga concrete na two-story. Mga lang, bahay kubo lang para meron silang matulugan kung magpunta sila doon magbisita, di ba? So, yun, mag-drawing na tayo, guys. Guys, pwede na akong mag-engineer, Han. I can be an engineer. Look at this, honey. Engineering yung kunin ko. Hard to understand my drawing, but I will explain. So, this is the property. It's not, for example, that's the property right here. Okay? So, meron diyang old CR at saka kaliguanan yung kung saan ka maliligo.
This is a squiggly line. This is a straight line. This is a curved line.
Okay, ito yung pinatayo ng auntie ko noon. Sira na din yan guys, pero fights pa. Kaya pa ng power. Dan ka maliligo, ito yung CR. So dito yung bahay ngayon. At saka, yung mga old houses na mga maliit lang kahoy, sobrang gabok na ba kung sa Bisaya pag gabok. So, sirain yan. So ngayon, ito yung ginagawa ko. So ngayon, i-separate yung kaliguanan, 'di ba? Kung saan ka maliligo. So ngayon, ito yung muna ipatayo ko. Simple lang guys ha, bahay ko po. Hindi po ito pang mayaman. Basta lang may maano sila. May pang probinsyang bahay ba? May maano lang sila, matulugan, gano'n. Hindi yung bahay na muntika ng mahugmak, color this. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's you and me. Oh, we have a baby. We have a baby, Tommy. Oy.
Make a child's picture. Make a child's picture. Wait. You forgot. Wait.
Oh my goodness, my husband is making a baby. What is that? A cloud? Han, the cloud doesn't belong over there. That's the property. Honey, oy. My husband, guys. Oh, look, now I want a baby. Look, he is making a baby there. So this one is probably just a simple connected another roof, a kitchen, okay? But I'm not gonna do the whole thing is concrete, but it's like half concrete, half amakan. Let's see how much it is. And also, so this is the kitchen here, separated. That's the door to the kitchen. And yun, and there's another door in the back of this house to go to the CR. And in the future, if I have extra or my aunt can help me, Aunt Nina, if you're hearing me, right here, we're gonna build this, bedroom. Okay, small bedroom connected over here.
You know, I gotta tell you something. Common sense tells you look at the cost. And then you look at the cost of making it a little bit bigger. Because generally, the cost doesn't increase much to make it bigger. So you're going to sit there, oh, I'm going to make this really little, no bedroom, and save myself, $10,000. But later on, I'll add that on, and it'll cost me $70,000.
So,
look at the cost difference before you sit there and say, I'm going to make it little. Because little doesn't necessarily mean a lot cheaper. It just means a little bit cheaper.
He is right again. I think.
You wind up with smaller rooms, but you need more community space. Like,
Yeah, because this is like a family thing.
Well, you want your biggest space to be common space, like living room, dining room area. Like the biggest space is a common space where family and friends get together. The smaller spaces would be the bedroom, the kitchen, like that. This is the thing. You need to look at the costs. Evaluate the costs. Say I want a 1,000 square foot home, and it'll cost this much. Or
What is 1,000 one?
1,000 square feet. Well, you don't use feet.
No.
You use meters. So, but so it tells you 1,000 square feet is. It depends on the shape of the house.
Guys, whoever kung meron kayong experience guys sa pagpatayo ng mga kahit kunting bahay or bahay na mga ilang rooms, kung meron kayong experience guys, please comment down below kung anong unang gagawin, kasi wala akong ka-idea. I don't have any idea. So comment down below if you have experience building a house for your parents, for your own. So it's just bahay kubo. It's like a amakan and then half cement. Hi guys, masaya na sana yung plano, maganda na sana yung plano, pero napag-usapan namin quick update lang po ito sa pag-i-edit namin. Kahapon nag-usap kami, nag-edit ko ako ngayon. So i-update ko lang kayo, no? Kasi may mga pagbabago sa plano. Nag-usap kami ni Tami kahapon. Sabi ko sa kanya, Han, tinanong ko sa kanya, kasi gusto ko talagang magtayo doon ng bahay kubo sa lupa ng lola ko. So sabi ko sa kanya, tinanong ko again, one last time, which one is better? Bodalan first, yung gamay na lupain para bahayan, doon lang din na area, and then, or doon sa lupa ng lola ko, doon natin itayo yung bahay kubo para may for the whole family, yung sino, or kahit bibili ako ng bahay naman, or magbahay-bahay ako doon sa Bukirin, of course, yung diba, yung mga auntie ko na wala doon, of course, welcome naman sila, 'di ba? Kasi walang bahay na nga yung lupa. Pero nga, yun, nag-change yung mind ni Mr. Sabi pa niya, iniisip daw niya, it's better to buy a land kung saan dapat itayo yung bahay kubo na para masilungan ng pamilya kapag pupunta sila sa probinsya. And yun, so napag-isipan ko na yun. I-change na lang kasi yun yung daw, sabi pa niya, mas daw, prepare daw siya ganun kaysa lupa ng lola ko, which is okay lang naman daw. Sabi ko, okay lang naman doon, mga auntie ko, ganun-ganun. Sabi ko sa kanya, okay lang naman doon kasi sabi pa niya, but I prefer, you're asking me, sabi pa niya, you're asking me, pero I prepare na bibili ka muna bili ng lupa, doon mo na lang itayo. So yun yung update guys, madali ang update kasi po, nagbabago, sabi ko, sige na lang, pagbigyan kasi tama naman din siya. So yung ibahay ko doon, ibili ko na lang ng maliit na lupa kung saan ko itatayo yung bahay kubo ko na gusto. Saka sabi pa ni Mr. it's better to buy the small property kung saan mo itayo yung bahay kubo. But anyway guys, yun lang yung update. Thank you guys so much for watching. But anyway, thank you pa rin sa mga mag-comment guys. Kasi wala talaga akong ka-idea kung paano mag-build ng house sa probinsya kahit hindi nakakailangan ng architect, magdo-drawing, mga karpintero lang. So yun, anong unang dapat gawin? Yun lang. So, kung meron kayong idea, guys, kung na-experience na ninyo yung ganyan, please comment down below, guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys! Nag-change yung utak, guys. Iba talaga utak, guys. Bye.